It is time for another property tour with your host, America's Realtor, aka Alex Maloney. And sorry about these coverings, y'all. We're going through a freeze here in Texas, so they're just being cautious of their landscaping, trying to preserve as much as possible. And let's head inside, y'all. We are in. And today, y'all, we are at Grand Homes in McKinney, Texas. This floor plan is called the Royal Waterford, and it is priced from $709,900. So that's the starting price. Look at this, y'all. Right under the staircase, wine cellar. That is awesome. You don't see that every day. Love that. And the wet bar with the marble backsplash. And y'all, this floor plan ranges from 3,000 square feet, give or take. And they go as high as about 3,600 square feet. So these lots are a little smaller than their normal lot sizes. And we'll see here in a little bit what I'm kind of talking about. They have a side yard instead of a backyard. But y'all, they knocked this one out of the park. Fully loaded model home. And this gives you an idea of what you can build for yourself. Here's the pantry. And gas cooktop. With the under cabinet lighting, modern fixtures, breakfast nook, floor to ceiling fireplace. That is indeed electric, y'all, but it creates the vibe for the house. Let's look at it. There we go. Creates the whole mood for this place. I love it. And let's head on over here. Here is a half bath.
Music licensing.
Custom designed. And the master. This is the master suite. Love those lighting fixtures. Oh my gosh, they did a great job. And there's a door to go out there to the side yard. And here's the master bath, y'all. 2 separate vanities, so double vanities. Garden tub. Stand-up shower.
Music licensing.
It really made good use of the space here. I'm very impressed. Love the floating vanities. There's the toilet, and then your walk-in closet. With the little mirror here. What up? Rock on. For all those rockers out there, shout out to Metallica, Guns N' Roses, etc. And just cruising along here as always. I want y'all to soak in those fixtures. And let's head back out here. And y'all, this is Lake Forest in McKinney, Texas. And if you didn't build this floor plan, you can build other floor plans, and they start at $640K. And they go typically up to like 1.3 million, give or take, just depending on how you build it, you know. Everything's contingent on how you want to build. And it is a family-friendly master plan community. It has an amenity center with a community pool. And it has hiking and biking trails by Cotton Creek Park. And this is McKinney ISD, top rated school district in DFW. And has easy access to the Dallas North Tollway, 121, and also Highway 380 and Highway 75. And this is the upstairs, y'all. So it has a stacked game room. And here, trying to turn some of these lights on. Aren't one to turn on, so sorry about that. And here's the media room. So stacked game room and media room.
Artlist.io.
But you can make that whatever you want, of course, as always. And here is a bedroom down here. With a full bath. These lights aren't wanting to work, guys. Sorry about that.
Music licensing.
Got to go in the garage and flip that breaker switch. Yeah, not wanting to work. It's alright though, we got the gist of it. And over here, we have a dry bar. And I like how they made use of this space too, y'all. A living area with 2 separate study areas for those children. Shout out to the young scholars. Love the bay windows, y'all. Grand Homes is known for their bay windows and soaring ceilings. Absolutely beautiful. Love the study there with the French sliding doors. And let's head out. So here's a side yard I was talking about with the pergola. So they made good use of the space too, y'all. Grand Homes knows how to do it. And I would like to thank y'all for tuning in to today's property tour. Please throw me that subscribe button and thumbs up on this video, and I will see y'all on the next one.